Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip will explain how to prepare for your property taxes. We're going to work with sales taxes and discount percentages to remind us how percentages work, and then that will set us up for success on working with property taxes. So if I buy something marked as $72 and the sales tax is 6%, how much will I pay? We have the $72 and I multiply that by 6%. Well, as a decimal, that's 0.06. So that comes out to be $4.32. So we can add that to the $72. And we're going to pay $4.32 more. Oops. So $76.32 is how much I will pay. I'll show you another trick while I'm at it. We could have said $72 times 1.06. Multiplying by 1 gives us the $72, and the 1.06 is the 6%. So the full value plus 6% more, and then that we can just go ahead and multiply that on a calculator, and that gives us 76.32. $76.32. Either way you want to work that problem is fine. Okay, so let's work on a percent off with a sale of 19% off. Clothes that would have cost me $72 will only cost what before taxes? So we can take our $72 and we can multiply by 0.19, and that is $13.68. So that's how much we get off. So we can take our $72 and we can subtract our $13.68. That equals $58.32. Another way to do that would be to subtract the 19 cents from 19% from 100%. So that would be, well, 20% from 100% would be 80%, so that would be 81%. So if I multiply that by the 72, that gives me 58.32. So you can go subtract the percentage and then multiply, or you can multiply and then subtract. So now we're to the property tax problem. The percentage rate for property tax is about 1.2% annually, so that's for a year. Your home and land, let's say they're valued at $105,000. So how much should you plan on paying each month so that you don't get hit with a large expense at the end of the year? Because taxes are actually only due at the end of the year, but you could pay a little bit each month so that you won't have a huge payment all of a sudden at the end. So let's find out how much 1.2% is. So if I multiply 105,000 times 0.012, so I've moved the decimal 2 places, 1, 2, so I have to put a 0 there to hold that place. Then I multiply and I get $1,260. But that's for a year. So we're trying to find out how about for each month. Well, I just have to divide that by 12. 12,060 divided by 12. That turns out to be $105 a month. And then I don't have to have a big $1,000 bill at the end of the month. At the end of the year, I just do 100 every month. So that's a review of property tax, sales tax, discount percentages. This should be helpful to you throughout your life and your personal finances.